Hello everyone. Today I'm bringing you another exciting airdrop. Let's start the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I regularly upload high profit and major airdrops. This airdrop is launched by Arch Network. If you're unfamiliar with Arch Network, it's a layer 1 blockchain built on Bitcoin. Arch Network allows for easy deployment of smart contracts on the blockchain without liquidity risks. The network has raised $7 million in funding from major companies like OKX Ventures, CMS Holding, Multicoin Capital, and Cypher Capital. Today, we're joining the incentivized Archstronauts program on Arch Network. Here, we'll earn points by completing missions on their website. Use the link in the description to connect your wallet. For this, you'll need the Uniset wallet, which works similarly to MetaMask. Install the Uniset extension, create a Uniset account if you haven't already, and click on Switch Chain to switch from Bitcoin testnet to Bitcoin mainnet. Click Sign to complete the connection. Important, if you're on mobile, note that this process is currently only available on PC or laptop. Mobile features are not yet supported. To participate, increase your XP by completing missions until you reach 5,000 XP to complete level 1. In the mission section, you'll find various social media tasks, like Twitter posting and Discord joining. Start by authorizing the app, which will give you 300 XP. Then, follow Arch CTO, Main Aikarawi, and complete weekly and daily missions for additional points. By participating in community missions and inviting friends through referrals, you'll earn extra XP and improve your leaderboard rank. Spend about 5 to 10 minutes daily to stay connected and increase your level, as your XP will be converted into Arch tokens. Don't miss this opportunity, as Arch Network has already secured $7 million in funding. Please check the link provided in the description to join. For any new updates, join my Telegram channel, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.